So take how to take notes, all right? Then what we'll do is I'll show you a video, play a video on something, and where you're going to actually do the notes, take the notes on there,
Mm,
right? So you'll do it. That will be a 20-minute video simulating kind of like a lecture, right?
right.
Okay, and you'll take those notes there, right? So that you could apply them because all my sessions are interactive. There's not like a professor or teacher sitting in, standing in front of the class and just is pulling things out there, and just it's not going to be one way. It's two ways with me. But so you're going to take your notes, okay, on there, and then once that's done, you're going to email them to us, okay? We're going to review them. There's going to be a break for a couple hours while we review them. Go have your lunch and everything of that nature. You can talk amongst yourselves, whatever, if you're in a group, right? And then we come back, all right? And that way, I'll be able to see, okay, if I've got the message through to you. Here's understanding on your part. I want to make sure that you fully understand, right, how to take notes, because that's
See, and this is so important so that people can understand that learning these skills, you don't need to wait for 3 weeks, a month, 6 months, a year to see the results. You can see the benefits of Don's program the same day.